Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to add PayPal payments to Shopify. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, go to your Shopify account through the web browser. When you get into your account, click on the Settings option from the bottom left corner. Now, from Settings, click on Payments Providers. Then, in the Payment Provider, click on Activate Setup Information. So before that, you must have a PayPal business account, and you must grant Shopify third-party API access to your PayPal profile. Now, in the PayPal section, choose the PayPal account type that you want, and then click on Activate. Then, you need to log in with PayPal to set up permissions for your account. Then, the permission will be granted to Shopify. Now, Shopify is asking permission to use Express Checkout to process payments. And then, issue a refund for a specific transaction. Now process your customer's credit or debit card payments and many more. Then click on Grant Permission. After that, you have successfully added PayPal payment to your Shopify account. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.